This is the third Sylvester at this yard. It's actually the sixth one because we put 3 in the backyard 45 days ago. But this is the third today. We have an 8-foot of trunk, a 6-foot of trunk, and this is a 7-foot trunk. We'll stand here for a moment and watch him set it down and straighten it up. So we're the tree planters, folks. We are Florida's premier tree installer. I believe there's a presidential award somewhere that's being offered for Florida's premier tree installer, so we're chasing that award. At the Tree Planters, when you buy trees, you buy it installed and guaranteed for a year. You get the 50 years of experience and knowledge about trees and this industry to help you come out of your purchase with the very best trees, the very best service, and the very most experience. So it looks like we're going to have to pick this tree up and put it down one more time, so we'll let off for now.